Alright, you crazy fuckers. Here's a third review. Today is Saturday, March 6, 2021. Clint from the Doorway 2. Doing those reviews that you seem to like so much. This is by a band out of Norway called Gorr. Their album title is in Norwegian, so I am pretty much fucked in being able to pronounce it. So Kvit som Snøen Kald Blikket. And that's probably the only time I'm going to try and say that goddamn mouthful. Anyway, let's listen to this black metal project out of Norway, man. It's self-released digitally. It looks like it came out March 1st. It is 6 tracks as well. From the album cover alone, my friends, we are going to get some harsh black metal going on, probably with some pagan elements and occult elements. But you know what? Let's listen to the first song, which again, these bastards name everything in Norwegian, so us Americans have to pull out our tongues to try and be able to say it. And it looks like it's in Laning, and that's the best way I'm going to say it. But anyway, here's track 1. They got me with an intro, but that happens from time to time. Anyway, it is definitely black metal. You can just tell. This is a duo, and one of their names is, I guess, Skug Morrow, and then the other one's name is Hateful Wind. Thank you for making your name easy for me to say, Hateful Wind. Let's listen to a bit of track number 2, which is, I guess, Bit Andy Kadult, is the way I'm going to pronounce it. You can look at on the Bandcamp page on how all this stuff, and all you Norwegian folks that are laughing at me right now, or Scandinavian folks that are laughing at me, awesome. Let's listen to Gorr's second track. Here we go. Sometimes you just want raw, aggressive, heathenistic, pagan black metal. Gorr, thank you. Thank you very much for just giving me an old school black metal record. Makes me feel like my tape trading days when I would send away and hope to get to hear some new crazy black metal band from wherever in Europe, wherever in South America. This is exactly what that is. Let's listen to the title track, which is track number 4, and here we go. Well, surprise, surprise. There's some Black Death with a whole bunch of punk elements thrown into it, too. Not shocked. That's kind of the vibe I was getting, is that they were kind of that early first wave into the second wave style of black metal, and Gorr did not fail in any way, shape, or form. Let's listen to another track of this black metal cacophony of wonderful tormented sounds. Again, Gorr, and then I'm going to try and say the band's record name one more time. Kvit, Snøen, Cold, Blikket. That's how I'm going to say it. That's it. Let's listen to track number 6, which is another mouthful. Commute, mit Mork. And here we go.
Dark
All right, Gorr, thank you for some Norwegian black metal old school style. Cannot thank you enough for giving me something like that. I need this stuff every once in a while to cleanse the palate of the more symphonic and epic stuff. You gave me a good old black and white cover of a snow-topped mountain. Everything Norwegian black metal needs to have. It's got that really cool Dark Throne-esque logo as well too. Again, Gorr's record, Kvit some Snøen called Blikket. I think I'm getting better at it. Came out March 1st digitally. I will put the links to their Bandcamp site here as well too. If again you like what I do, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube and Facebook pages. I make sure that all the videos are up on YouTube and Instagram, and on my Facebook page as well too. So again, really do love doing these for you. Love doing the more underground, different stuff that the major outlets do not do. I thank you very much for watching. Let's get over 100 subscribers, man. We're at like 54 or something now. Let's get to over 100 subscribers. That'll just make my day. Again, Clint from the Doorway too. Until next time, see ya.